Hey traders, we're gonna have a look at the US dollar and also the Australian dollar as well too. And the reason why I want to share this with you because I want to give you an update on what is actually happening in these markets, so you can keep an eye on them if you trade in these markets or you're involved with it and you want to do some currency exchange or whatever. This is just to help you with that. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright traders, so let's actually go straight through to the charts and let me actually just share with you what I see here overall. Now let me actually just I'll bring up the weekly line chart first, and I want to share with you what I was seeing overall on this weekly line chart. There we go, that through there. So this is the weekly line chart I was sharing with you guys over the last couple of weeks, and I've been sharing with you that for the last couple of weeks I've been showing you lower peak and also lower troughs as well too. We came up, made this higher peak, now we made this high trough, and ever since we made this higher trough, as you can see, we've actually slowly actually have continued higher as of yet. All right, as of yet, we still slowly have continued higher. So there's probably a resistance line through there somewhere. So that's what I do see there, guys, obviously on the line chart. And this, once again, guys, if you're looking at the big picture, this higher peak, higher trough, it's showing a lot of strength in the US dollar right now. So let's actually go and have a look at the actual daily charts itself, and let me show you what I see here. So this is the daily chart on basically the high, open, highlight, close, so on and so forth, etc., etc. And you can see the formations through here. If I bring up, say, my eclipse here, and let me just bring up, say, a black, you can see this lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, and sort of just a lower peak, higher peak, trough, and you had this sort of high trough through here, bit of a double bottom, and now we're rallying up. But what are we rallying up into now? We are rallying up to, if you draw a trend line from there to there, right, and you just draw that from there to there, what is that? Bit of a pennant flag, right, with volume. So the weekly chart says it should go higher, and the daily charts are now that. So it does look like this may break up and out to the upside. It looks like we may actually get this move to the upside. Now that's really interesting because even gold and silver's been going up as the US dollar's been going up, so it's really interesting to see what happens there. Now here's the thing that I do see, guys. If we have a look at this area, see that area through there, you can actually see, if I draw a trend line, we have this resistance through here, all that resistance there, resistance there. If indeed we do break down and actually get a close below that sort of resistance line through there, then we're likely to run up, test resistance, and head back down. That's what I'm seeing on the US dollar. Now let's go over to the Australian dollar. What do we see on the Australian dollar? The Australian dollar is also heading up as well too. Now if I bring up this here and let me show you, you know what, let's just go through there. Let me bring up the weekly chart. And as you can see, this US dollar, if I just bring up the trend lines here once again, is that a right through there, is this a bear flag, or is this more just a continuation pattern where we are seeing, you know, a channel going on through there? Let me see if I can blow that up a bit more. This is obviously, and we do see a bit of a channel going on through there. So is this a channel, or is this a bear flag? So far it's proving out to be a channel, but we want to see a continued move up out of this. Do we see a continued move up? If so, we're likely to hit the channel and probably get to the top of this resistance line, which is around the 80 mark on the FXA. So that's what I do see there, guys. Is this a bear flag? We don't know yet. If it does break down, we're likely to see more down movement. But it looks like it's trying to build a bit of a base here. So does the US dollar as well too. So both of them actually slowly crawling up, which is really, really interesting. So there you go, guys. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.